How to download Spotify songs. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download Spotify songs. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So it's actually really easy to do that. So in order to do this, we just need to head over to our Spotify app, and then from in there you can see this search icon right here. So just click on the search icon, and then from in there you can just search for a song that you want. So for example, let's search in here for Beautiful, and then from in there you can just click on these three dots, click on add to playlist, and then just click on this new playlist, and then just name this as downloaded songs or anything that you want. So click on create. Then after that, you can also add another song that you want. So just add in any song that you want to be downloaded to that specific playlist, for example. So for this thing right here, let's also add this song. And now that we have this song, we can just head over to our library, then click on our downloaded songs playlist. And then from in there, you can see these icons right here. So you need to click on this icon right here, which is this arrow done icon. So if when you click on that, the download will start, and then it will start downloading. Now once you add another song on that playlist, it will also be automatically downloaded on that specific playlist. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download Spotify songs. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.